There's a time for everything. This is the time for a last dance. It's time to make the engine roar towards the future, relish the power of an extraordinary piece of mechanical art. Since 1959, it has become the heartbeat of some of the most outstanding cars in the history of motoring. Today, its unmistakable roar will continue to sound in the ears of collectors. This is where the past meets the future and becomes legend. Now it's time for a splendid final flourish for the Maserati Ghibli Levante and Quattroporte, before they become icons in the history of the Trident. The Maserati V8 engine. Nothing can stop something made to last forever